insurance business in 1977 with John Hancock in Alton, Illinois. Who knows where Alton, Illinois is?
Where?
Did he really say where? Alton, Illinois. It's right across the bridge from St. Louis. And it was a debit company. In fact, all the insurance companies, the big boys, were debit companies. Who knows what a debit company is? A debit company is, they would assign you a book of business. Like, for example, they would assign you an area, and say $100,000 book of business. And you only got commissions on the increase. So if you wanted to earn, what they did is they took the renewals and they divided it. And every 13 weeks you got a check for the same amount for that 13 weeks. Quarter you would get based on that division. But you only got commissions on your increase. So if you had a $100,000 book of business and $10,000 fell off, what did you have to do? You had to write $10,000 more to keep your pay the same, right? But you only got commission on the increase. Now, what do your customers tend to do throughout the year to you?